Hi everyone, my name is Vesi Akusunzia, also called the Coco, but I'm going to go by Coco. I'm a chef, I cook, I love cook. Physically, my type of man, I like a dark-skinned guy. I love a tall man. And emotionally, I love my man to be emotionally available. I love my man to respect my decisions and guide me through, not to talk me out of it. Love to me is jealous, love to me is respectful, love to me is generous, and love to me is kind. In Big Mama's house, you should expect everything you want to see in me. The drama, the pettiness, you know, kind of shy, but I'll try. I plead and urge you all to vote for Coco, C-O-C-O, to the short code on your screen and expect nothing but entertainment.